Hello, I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. I'm doing a video this morning on this beautiful 2021 blue-gray rear-wheel drive cargo van. This one does have the safety sensors in the front and rear bumpers. It also has the 360-degree camera. One of your cameras is right here, right in the front, underneath of the star. We'll come around here to the passenger side, and you know, we ordered this van and had the wheels painted black right from the factory. It looks so nice with the blue-gray color. And then we'll get a nice shot of the interior. So this Sprinter van has heated seats. It's got the leatherette seating, the comfort seat package. It has the 7-inch MBUX monitor in the dash. Just a very nice, well-equipped Sprinter van. This one also has the 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, if anyone is looking for a cargo van with the V6. Also, we have the wall paneling to protect the walls, the nice wood floor with the anti-slip coating on it. This is a 2500 series Sprinter van too. You can put 3,500 pounds of weight in this van. Nice to be upfitted, or would make a great work van for a contractor. And we also have the Mercedes-Benz trailer hitch. You can tow up to 5,000 pounds with the 2500 series Sprinter van. And this van also comes with the 270-degree doors, so they latch in place right here at 90 degrees. And they also open all the way up. Nice latch mechanism in the hinge. The door doesn't touch the side of the van. If the wind's blowing or if you're parked on a hill, they stay latched in place really nicely. And then we're gonna get a nice shot of the driver's side. So over here, I always like to show folks this. Your fuel filler's right here. So if your driver's side door is closed, you can't get into the fuel filler. So you just simply open the driver's door, open up the fuel filler, and there you go. It's 24.5 gallon fuel tank, very easy access, and just a really nice all around Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. So if there's anyone out there that's looking for a 144 wheelbase high roof cargo van with some nice options in it, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Roger. My cell phone number is 207-838-0169. Thank you very much.